Welcome back to another Power BI 3-minute tip. If you're liking these quick Power BI tutorials, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell. Today we're going to be talking about R scripts, and this is totally different than R visuals. It's actually a way in which we can transform our data, kind of like how the M language can transform data, but we can now use R scripts to be able to run statistical analysis and machine learning algorithms on our datasets. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. First of all, just looking at our tables real quick, we have customer, products, and sales like always, many rows in the customers table. So the way we want to use R scripts is we come to edit queries, and now we have our three tables. We're going to go to our customer table, and on the transform tab, if you go all the way to the right, there is the run R script button. You may have to enable this in the settings preview features, but go ahead and click run R script, and that pulls up this little window to where you can type your R scripts. And when you run an R script for the first time, it's going to ask you to change your privacy settings. That'll show up in just a second. I'll show you how to get through that. But using the R language, you are able to transform your data in a lot of different ways, and whatever its output is will be your new table. One contingency is that you actually have to have R installed on your local machine. So there's a really good article from Microsoft to go about doing that. It's pretty easy. Once it's installed, you can run these R scripts. So for the purpose of this demo, we're just going to truncate the customer table into just 5 rows so we can just see that the R script's working. So the way you do that is, let's go ahead and create a new data set named output, and we're just going to take the first 5 rows of data set. It's also really good to know data set is a data frame that's by default imported into your R script, and data set just holds your table above your table at the step above running this R script. So let's go ahead and click OK. Give that just a second. Right, and here's our output table. So when you have the source, which is your original table, and then you run the R script on the above step. So using this table, we run our R script, we get an output table, and when you click on output table, it'll take you to the next step, and this is your output, which is just the first 5 rows of our customer table, because that's what we wrote in our R script to just give us the first 5 rows of the output. So this is really cool stuff. It opens up a wide range of possibilities if you're doing some statistical analysis on your data and you want to be able to transform your data, or just really run some really cool scripts on it and do something that could really add some value to your report. So if you like this tip, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.